How to add watermark in Clipchamp? Want to protect your content or show off your brand? Let's add a watermark in Clipchamp. Start by clicking your media, then import media, and upload your logo or watermark. Make sure it's a PNG with a transparent background for the best result. Now drag your logo onto the timeline right above your main video. This adds it as a separate visual layer. Make sure it lasts the entire video. Just trace the edge of the clip to match the video's length. Click the watermark on the preview screen, then drag to resize and move it to the corner. Keep it small and subtle but visible. Want it less bold? Click the watermark and adjust the opacity slider. Around 50 to 70% looks sleek and professional. Preview to make sure it looks good, then hit export. The watermark is now locked, ready to represent your brand on every platform. If this was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fast tutorials.